ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీలో అమెరికన్ కార్నర్ సేవలు అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చాయి. రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి తాడేపల్లిలోని క్యాంపు కార్యాలయం నుండి గురువారం ఈ సేవలను ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా జగన్ మాట్లాడుతూ విద్యార్థులకు మేలు చేసే అమెరికన్ కార్నర్ని ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీలో ఏర్పాటు చేయడం శుభపరిణామమని అన్నారు. అమెరికాలో విద్య, ఉద్యోగం, సమాచారానికి సంబంధించిన సేవలను ఈ కార్నర్ ద్వారా పొందవచ్చని చెప్పారు. విశాఖ కలెక్టర్ మల్లికార్జున, వర్సిటీ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి, అమెరికన్ ప్రతినిధులు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, I deem it a great honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, for the inaugural program of this American Corner in the precincts of Andhra University. Let me also extend a very warm welcome to all the ministers and educationalists, administrators, and the local members who are sitting here from US Embassy to this inaugural program. And this particular corner, in fact, is housed in the precincts of Andhra University, which is an institution of eminence. And Andhra University, in fact, is an institution which is located in the city of destiny, which has shaped the destiny of several people. Call it as educationalists and industrialists and Supreme Court judges, presidents, vice presidents of India, and even people who have occupied very important positions in armed and naval forces. And this is an institution whose family, in fact, manifests what is called as Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. And this is an institution whose diaspora, in fact, melds the entire globe. And this is an institution which is truly enjoying the support from Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy Garu in its endeavor to become one of the world-class universities. And in this particular direction, sir, the establishment of American Corner in the city of Visakhapatnam, and that too in Andhra University, is a great boost to the youth of this particular state to get connected to whatever that is happening in the United States with reference to the cultural activity, the educational activity, the entrepreneurial activity, and social activity. Sir, let me introduce the members to you from here. The Consul General from Hyderabad, Zoel Reifman, Veena Reddy. Veena Reddy, in fact, she's a member. She's the director, mission director for USAID for both India as well as Bhutan. And Honorable District Collector, Mr. Mallikarjun, is also here, sir. And in fact, this is a wonderful initiative, sir. At a time when global companies, multinational companies are, in fact, looking at Andhra Pradesh as a favorable destination for investment, we feel that this particular initiative, launching of this American Corner in Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, truly exhibits and a reflection of the leadership and its confidence in the global companies. And truly we believe that through this particular initiative, I think the Andhra Pradesh would emerge as a knowledge capital. So thank you, sir. With this introduction, now I put a request to Mr. Veena Reddy to speak a few words.
Hello. Great. Namaskaram. Naku chala santoshanga undi Andhra Pradesh ku ravadanki. Thank you. And thank you so much, Consul General Reifman, for inviting me to participate. A space like this, an endeavor like this, takes really great vision, clarity of purpose, and commitment. So I'm very impressed by the commitment of the consulate, the Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, and Andhra University for this collaboration. It's amazing to see this come to fruition. I'm sure you're all so pleased. As a daughter of Andhra Pradesh, of Kadapa district, Pradhatur, I know firsthand that the people of Andhra Pradesh have a deep friendship, a deep interest in the United States, and want to deepen that. So a center like this really adds to that ability to share and to learn from each other.
It is great to be back in Vishakhapatnam, also known to the uninitiated as Vizag, and I spent the last 2 days traveling through the beautiful Araku Valley, and I enjoyed every moment of that journey, and I'm very grateful for the government of Andhra Pradesh and the Chief Minister's office for facilitating that journey. I want to begin, of course, by acknowledging the Honorable Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, as well as Vice Chancellor Professor Prasad Reddy, who this would not have been possible without your efforts, and I am extremely grateful. This is my first visit to Andhra University. I'm thrilled to be with you during this landmark occasion to inaugurate the American Corner. I'd like to acknowledge the partnership of Andhra Pradesh government and the leadership of Andhra University in establishing this American Corner in Vishakhapatnam. We are grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister for supporting this initiative. Both of our governments are committed to providing young people, particularly women, with increased opportunities for education and employment. We'll host programs with American Corners in India and around the world to help build global communities. The American Corner in Vishakhapatnam will be the third American Corner in India and the second in Hyderabad's Consular District. The city of Vizag is poised to grow, given its location as a leading port city and the headquarters of India's Eastern Naval Command.
It's wonderful to have someone with Telugu origin. It's wonderful to have someone, especially from my own district. It's really wonderful, and I'm pretty sure that with your active support, this outreach program would further be enhanced to ultimate goal of having the American consulate in Visakhapatnam. That would be our final goal, hopefully, God willing. And very warm welcome to both of you, and also Mr. David Moyer as well. Very warm welcome to all of you. In fact, this is the third such American Corner in this country.
Fraternity, through giving a strong impetus to create an environment of knowledge, application, and holistically inspiring youth to become leaders of tomorrow. The American Corner in Visakhapatnam is a partnership between the Andhra University and the U.S. Consulate General in Hyderabad. The American Corner shall connect Andhra Pradesh to U.S. Consulate General Hyderabad through activities that promote American culture, Indian-American cooperation in business, education, culture, and politics. The aim of this corner is to engage with students and young professionals of Andhra Pradesh. The mission is very clear. Over the next 8 months, American Corner will organize 6 teacher training workshops for young faculty across the state. Besides funded workshops, the Corner will also host regular programs. The programs would focus on English language learning, STEM education, women's empowerment, American culture, and higher education in the U.S. This American Corner is established with state-of-the-art facilities to host discussion groups, seminars, digital video conferencing, and meetings with U.S. and local specialists on a wide range of American-focused topics.